Good morning, students. Welcome back to General Knowledge class. Now, I am discussing page number 13 to 16. Page number 13, Wardrobe Vocabulary. The use of names of clothes and accessories like hat, belt, cap can bring an array of expression in the English language. Read the given meanings and complete the following expression. An action successfully done 3 times. A hat trick. Hat trick means an action successfully done 3 times. To reflect and analyze something. Put on one's thinking cap means to reflect and analyze something. To get ready for action. Pull up one's socks. Pull up one's socks means to get ready for the action. To economize or save money by cutting down expenses. Tighten one's belt. Tighten one's belt means to economic or save money by cutting down the expenses. To be patient. Keep one's shirt. Keep one's shirt means to be patient. To flatter for selfish purpose. Lick someone's boots. Lick someone's boot means to flatter for the selfish purpose. To plan according to the availability of funds. Cut one's coat according to the cloth. Cut one's coat according to the cloth means to plan according to the availability of funds. To have little money. On a shoestring. On a shoestring means to have very little money. To be very close to someone. Hands in glove. Hands in glove means to be very close to someone. To be a very young person in short pants. In short pant means to be a very young person. Know your ABC. The use of letters in different contexts lends a deeper understanding to one's mind. Write the correct meaning of the following phrases. From A to Z. To do or know something very thoroughly. To do or know something very thoroughly means from A to Z. Dot your I's and cross your T's. To perform the task very completely and correctly. To perform task completely and correctly, dot your I's and cross your T's. Take a U-turn. To change the one's direction. To change one's direction, take a U-turn. Mind your PS and QS. To be very careful and cautious. To be very careful and cautious means mind your PS and QS. Generation Z. To be very young or be in 20s. To be young or be in 20s. Generation Z. Learn the ABC of. To know the very basics. To know the very basics, learn the ABC. To catch Jadis means to sleep. To sleep, to catch Jadis. Suit to a T. To suit the exactly. To suit exactly. A U certificate. To be universal. that can be viewed by all. To be universal, that can be viewed by all. These are 3 Rs. To know, reading, writing, arithmetic. To know, reading, writing, arithmetic means the 3 Rs. Praising poetry. Poetry, it is the heart of and soul of the any language. इसमें बच्चों आपको क्रॉसवर्ड दिया हुआ है, क्लू भी साथ साथ दे रखे हैं, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपने फिल करना है. द वर्ड्स एक्सप्रेसिंग द फीलिंग्स थ्रू विच कैन बी संग. लिरिक्स. First is lyrics. The word expressing feelings or thought which can be sung lyrics. A long detailed poem describing brave acts. Epic. Long detailed poem describing a brave act. Epic. A poem that narrates a tale, that is narrative. A couple of lines that rhyme together. Couplet. A poem that can be sung like a song. Ballad. A poem that can be sung like a song. Ballad. Shakespeare style of poetry. Dramatic. Shakespeare style of poetry. Dramatic. Long detailed poem describing brave acts. Epic. Stanza of the poem is verse. Who is known as poet of nature? William Wordsworth. Next is dramatic style. Play is written with different characters and their roles. It exhibits various shades of human emotions. Read the given clue and unjumble the terms related to the drama. Write the answers in the space provided. The main story or plan of the play is plot. The main story of the play is plot. A raised platform for performance. Stage. A raised platform for the performance. Stage. The actors in the play आर कॉल्ड करैक्टर्स. जो भी एक्टर्स हैं प्ले में उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? करैक्टर्स. और जो भी स्टेज है वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर ही उठा हुआ होता है. द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द प्ले इज़ क्लाइमैक्स. द एंड पॉइंट और स्टेज ऑफ द प्ले इज़ क्लाइमैक्स. अ ह्यूमरस प्ले इज़ कॉमेडी. द ह्यूमरस प्ले इज़ कॉमेडी. अ प्ले depicting romance is called romantic. A play that is related with romance, romantic. A sorrowful play is tragedy. The conversation among the actors, dialogues. The conversation among the actors form the dialogues. The style of criticizing a person or an idea is style. A style of criticizing the person or an idea is style. A person who writes the play. A person who writes the play is playwright. यस बच्चों, अब आपने पेज नंबर 13 to 16 इसको आपने अपनी बुक में राइट करना है और साथ के साथ सेंटेंस को रीड भी कर लेना। थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।